Hello, this is my review for the BUYIFY Folding Desk. It's 23.6 inches. It has the slot for the coffee. It has the slot for iPads or for phones, and you can connect them through the charger through here. Also, this is the handle. What I like about this is you can use it on your sofa, on your bed, on the floor, and you can either connect your laptop to watch something, work, read a book, take notes. It's very useful, it's very helpful. It's also foldable here. All you have to do is close it to storage. Stores like a flat tablet on a closet, and then when you need it, you just unfold it and you can put it on the sofa, a bed, or on the floor. And it's even kid friendly. Your children can use it. I like it, and it's very comfortable. It doesn't like, once you put it on a surface, on a solid surface, it doesn't move. You can even use it for eating if you like, to watch TV. Thank you for watching my video.